Om Swastiastu, Namo Buddhaya, Salam. Salam sejahtera. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Namun Satkerti Loka Bali, menuju pola pembangunan semesta berencana menuju Bali era baru. Perkenalkan, nama saya NEGE Saraswati Ansari. Hari ini saya akan membahas sebuah topik dalam pembelajaran bahasa Inggris, yaitu penggunaan will. Will dalam bentuk simple, will dalam bentuk continuous, dan will dalam bentuk perfect. Okay, let's check it out.
Now we will discuss about the usage of will in some sentences. Simple future tense. The future tense indicates that an action is in the future relative to the speaker or writer. The future tense uses will or shall with the base form of the verb or verb 1. Here are the examples of time signals used in simple future tense, such as tonight, tomorrow, next month, next year, next week, or in 2030. It has some forms. The first is positive, negative, and the third one is affirmative. The positive one has a formula like subject plus will plus verb or bare infinitive, and the example, I will buy a new watch. The negative one, the formula is subject plus will plus not plus verb or bare infinitive. The example, I will not sell my antique car. The affirmative, the formula is will plus subject plus verb or bare infinitive, and the example, will you come to my house? Let's discuss more examples to make it clearer. I will go to London next year. They will not come to my party next weekend. Will you marry me? We will buy a new car soon. Or she won't believe me again. Okay, now let's see these two sentences. I will be studying. I will have studied. Both sentences use will, but they do not use verb 1. They use verb ing, studying, and verb 3, studied. I will be studying. It is called future continuous tense. Let's see more examples. Don't call your dad in an hour. He will be having exam. I will be flying to Venice at this time tomorrow. We use the future continuous to talk about something that will be in progress or around a time in the future. How about I will have studied? It is called future perfect tense. Do you think you will have finished it by next Sunday? More example, I'll have finished in an hour, and then you can use the computer. So, we use the future perfect to say that something will be finished by a particular time in the future. Let's have some exercise. It is about future continuous or perfect. Choose the correct phrases to complete the sentences. What do you think? Will you choose will have changed or will be changing and continued by the year 2030? Here is the answer. What do you think will have changed by the year 2030? Let's go to the next exercise. How will I recognize you? What? Okay. The answer, how will I recognize you? What will you be wearing?
Baik, itu saja penjelasan video tentang simple future tense kali ini. Terima kasih sudah menyimak. Om Santi 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 Om.